Good morning, Commissioners. For the record, my name is Ken Winston. I represent the Nebraska Sierra Club, and I grew up a mile away from Director Cedar. So I'm right across the field from his house. The Nebraska Sierra Club is opposed to this proposed application for many reasons. I'm going to only talk about 3 of them this morning. First of all, we're here in support of the local people who are speaking out. Everyone so far has spoken against this and provided excellent reasons for opposition. And we ask the Commission to pay attention to those messages because they're well reasoned and they're well researched. And we believe that those voices should be heard. That we should indeed have a country that is of the people, by the people, and for the people. So I'd ask that for the Commission to behave in that, take that into consideration. We also support the call of Senator Haar and Senator Stinner to delay this process until appropriate rules can be put in place to protect our resources. One thing that has not been mentioned so far, initially I was doing some research on the subject of the Commission's authority in this area, and specifically I was noticing that the Commission's authority their purpose is to deal with 2 areas specifically, to promote the development of oil and gas in the state of Nebraska, and also to prevent waste. And we believe that looking at this particular proposal, that doesn't need it. And so we question whether this is, we think that there may need to be statutory amendment just to permit this to happen in the first place. We also believe that there need to be rules amendments, as Senator Haar described this morning, to protect our water, to protect our land and other natural resources, and also to protect the interests of taxpayers. And then finally, we believe there's a number of other concerns that, particularly the concerns of local people. One of the things that hasn't been mentioned is the concerns about the impact on wildlife. And I've heard reports of the endangered swift fox being in the area. If that is indeed the case, that should be investigated and determined before the Commission goes any further. And then just finally, we intend to support the interests and concerns of the local people in whatever way we can throughout this process. And in conclusion, we ask the Commission to deny the proposed the application for the proposed fracking disposal well. Thank you.
Thank you.